Making resume is very important for getting a job, but getting a free resume, it's like cherry on the cake. Hello everyone, my name is Nitul, and in today's video we are going to see top 5 free resume making websites. So let's start. Before moving directly to the websites, let's first understand very important thing, and that is ATS. The full form of ATS is Applicant Tracking System. So we will see 3 things about ATS: what it is, who use this tool, and why they use it. So let's talk about it, what it is. So basically ATS is a software that manages the entire hiring and recruitment process. And why companies are using it? Because it helps them to speed up the candidate management and significantly it reduces all hiring procedure time. So what companies can do with this tool? So from posting the job online to making the job offer for any candidate, everything can be done with this software. So whenever you apply for any job, then your resumes are shortlisted with the help of this tool only. So that was the basic introduction of this ATS. Now let's move to our first website. First website name is Cake Resume. So Cake Resume is a wonderful website where you can create your resumes and you can download it for free. You will not have to pay anything in order to download your resume. So let's move to the Google and just type Cake Resume and it will give you the very first link. Click on that. Once you click on it, it will open the home page of the website. So there you can see there is an option to create my resume now. So you can directly click on that, and please do remember you will have to log into this website or you will have to create an account if you don't have. So just create one, and I have just entered my details and I am just signing up. So this is asking like you are a job seeker and you are an employer. So just select whatever you are. For example, right now I am a job seeker. So just click on job seeker. Once I click on it, it will give me the next page. So here you can see there are some steps. So you will have to follow them in order to create a good resume. So the very first one is select a resume template. You will have to select one. Complete your personal profile, customize your resume, and then you can download and print. So simply click on get started. So here we have some templates, some very good templates. So you can select any template. For example, I am liking this one, so I can select this one. And if you have any existing template or existing resume, then you can upload that one and it will fetch all of the details you already mentioned there from that. For now, I am just skipping this one. Okay. Or you can also import your LinkedIn profile so that most of the details will be filled in your resume from the LinkedIn only. You can click on this, open your LinkedIn profile in order to log in there. Okay, so for now I am not going to do that. I am just clicking skip for now. So here we have our page. So in the profile section you will have to give the details here. So your resume is going to look like this. There are section we have in right. So you can provide your name here, you can provide the job title for which you are applying, you can provide your contact details, you can provide your email ID. I have filled mine here. Okay, you can provide the location where you are living because in your resume your location will be mandatory. So these are the links you can mention in your profile: LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, etc. There are a lot of links are there. So you can click on next or you can click on I will answer later. So here you will get a section for work experience. So you will have to mention the details like what is your job title, what is your company name. You will have to upload the company logo as well there. So in description you will have to provide the description like what you have done, what were your job responsibilities. I have pasted a dummy data here. Okay, so you will have to provide the duration, from which duration you are working in this organization. So I have selected 2019 January. So you can click on next. For now it is asking me to provide a company logo. So you can select one. I'm selecting this image just for temporary purpose. Okay, So now you can click on next, as well as you can click on I will answer later. So I will click on I will answer later. Okay, this is education section where you will have to provide everything related to your schooling, your college, whatever degree you have done. You will have to also upload the image here of your college, or any logo you can upload here. Okay, you will have to provide the duration also. So for now I will click on I will answer later. Then what is your expertise? So basically here you will have to specify your skills. For example, they have mentioned here you can provide the languages you know. Okay, in the next section you will have to provide summary. So you will have to write a short summary. Then in job preferences you will have to select which kind of job you need, whatever job you are applying for. So you can select those things. Click on next. So here click on customize your resume. Okay, so here we can see on save as PDF. Once you click on that, move you to the next page. There you will find the PDF option in the top left corner. So you can click there. Yes, it is converting the resume into the PDF format. Okay, once it is done, it will give me the option to download it. So here it is. I have clicked on the download option, and you can see here I have downloaded the resume. So this was our first website. Now let's move to the next one. So our next website is Novo Resume. Novo Resume is another wonderful website from where you can download your resume without paying anything. You can create there your resume. Like earlier, we will go to the Google and then search for Novo Resume. The first link will be there. Just click on that. So the very first important thing, you will have to create your account here in order to access it. Okay, you can see resume templates, CV templates, cover letters, and you can click on pricing in order to see what are the pricing. So here we have a free tier in which you can get one-page resume, in which you can get predefined layouts, basically the templates you can get, and the last one, you can get one-page resume here. Okay, you cannot create two-page resume here. You can refer other websites if you want more than one. Okay, so now just choose any template from these. You can see here we can get only 8+ template for free. So choose any one, whichever you want. I'm choosing this one. Okay, so it has directly the sections given here, so you will have to fill all the details one by one. Once you have filled the details, you click on download and you can download it. So let's move to our third website, which is resume.com. It is another good website from which you can directly make the resume and download it. So just go to the resume.com, choose resume samples, basically the templates you will have to select. So here we are. For example, I want to create a resume for engineering. Here we have sections. So which type of resume basically you want, you can choose one. So I want for engineering, so I will click on engineering, and I want for a data science resume, so I will choose that one. Okay, so click on text template. Okay, so it will move you here and click on this resume. So it will give you this option. So you will have to log in first. Okay, once you are logged in, then you can go to the dashboard. Okay, so click on build your resume. Okay, you can skip these things for now for the direct personal data. You can choose a template from here also. Okay, for example, I have selected this one. So this is the template section wise. Okay, so once you have filled these details, and in the right section you can find the option to download PDF. So once you click on it, you will be able to download the resume. So this was our website number 3. Now let's move to the next website, and which is kickresume.com. So friends, this is another one website which is very good. So just search it on Google. In the very first link you will have to click on it, log in to this website. So once you have done it, for example, I am doing it with my emails. So once you are logged in, then you will have option to introduce yourself. Okay, for now I'm just skipping this thing. So once you have skipped this, then you will have two options. So go for premium and free one. So once you hover on free one, okay, you will get option to build a new resume, import from LinkedIn, or use examples. Okay, so I'm clicking on use examples. Okay, so here we have templates, so choose any one, whichever you want. Once you are done with that, you will get option to edit it. Click on edit example and start filling the data. Once you see this, okay, you will have sections like personal information, after that work experience, education, skills, strengths, and you can also add a new section in this. Once everything is done, you can click on download and go a little bit down, and there will be option to download in PDF. So once you click on that, it will move you to the next page and it will show you the option for edit to basic. Okay, so there will be some features like for basic resume templates you are getting there, 2 basic cover letters you can get, 1 basic website template you can get, and unlimited downloads are there basically. So you can see all these things here. So for now I'm just clicking on edit to basic and click on create free copy, and there's an option to download it. So download it. Here we have downloaded our resume. So this was our 4th website. So the last website is canva.com. So canva.com is another wonderful website. So you can directly search it on Google. It is a very good tool for graphic designing also if you want to use it. So simply go to the Google and search for canva.com. Okay, go to the Google, type canva.com, and the very first link is canva.com. Okay, so I have already logged into this portal. Okay, so search for directly for resumes. So once you search for resume, and it will give you a lot of templates which you can directly select anyone and start editing it. There are some templates which are premium, so you cannot use it without paying them, but yes, there are a lot of free resume templates also. So for example, I want to edit this one, so I clicked on it. It has to me the editing section. So now I can start editing for this. For example, here these are the sections, so you can directly start editing for these. And once you have done the editing, you can see the download option in the top right corner. So once you click on download, so here it is downloading the resume, and yes, it has downloaded the resume for me. Okay, so these are total 5 websites, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends so that they can also watch this. Press the bell icon also so that you can get the latest notifications. Thank you so much for watching our video.